everybody, welcome back. It's Tosh here. I am here today with my January base box Boxycharm unboxing. So stick around for that. We'll jump into it in just a minute. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I typically do all things makeup. Unboxing, try-ons, those kind of things, and I would love for you to join the family. When I hit 50, I will do a giveaway, so please click the subscribe button. Without any more talk, let's go ahead and jump into my base box for December. So base box came just a couple of days ago for Boxycharm, and we're going to open it up together. The theme is Fresh Start, which is, oh, there's my say-say, that's my boxer. Completely appropriate after 2020, January 2021. We're hoping to be a fresh start for everything. So let's see what we have. So first thing that I have here is the Persona brush. And I have heard a couple of people who really like this brush. It is a dual-ended brush. Multitasking dual-ended synthetic vegan brush allows you to highlight with one end and seamlessly apply your blush with the opposite end, designed for powder or cream application, and retail value is $24. And they have this like sealed. Holy moly, hang on a minute. I've heard a couple people on YouTube rave about it. I do like this end for highlighting, but this is so small, I don't know that I would use it for blush. Maybe for contour, I don't know, for blush. I do love the feel of the handle. It is nice and smooth. There's a little bit of a, I don't know if you can see it, a little bit of a tapered part right here, so it gets bigger and goes into smaller, and your hand fits perfectly right there. The other end does not have a similar feel, but it's still nice. So first product. Okay. Second product here is the Pharmacy Daily Greens. And so this is an oil-free gel moisturizer. It's lightweight, lasting hydration, leaves skin without feeling greasy. It is vegan, cruelty-free. It contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of phytonutrients to help clear pores and reduce shine. $38 is the cost. And it's basically just a gel moisturizer. Let's open it up and see what it looks or smells like, if I can get it open. So beautiful container, just like Pharmacy usually has. This is glass here, plastic on top. Let's see what it smells like. And it is green, green, green. So the actual color of the product is green. It smells like a cleanser mixed with like kale. We're going to put just a little on my hand right there. And there's my say-say. So you can see right there, it is tinged green. So I would question if there is some coloring in this. It's hard. I don't see the ingredients list. I'll have to look at those on the box. It does feel nice and cooling. It is a gel moisturizer, which typically is very lightweight. I do tend to have dry skin, so for me, a gel moisturizer is something that's better used under my makeup versus for at nighttime or those kind of things. But it's not bad at all. I do like that it's cruelty-free, it's vegan, it's free of all of those bad things, which typically pharmacy products are. So definitely we'll try it. There you go. Next product. Lots and lots of skincare in this box, which I do prefer more makeup. But this is the Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. You have got to be kidding me. It's $33 for a lip balm. I love lip balms. I love all things lip balm, lip oil, anything, because my lips are typically really dry. $33? Essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm its citrusy tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, supple skin. $33? I mean, this better be the most amazing thing ever. And it's not even like a skin mask. It's just literally a lip balm. I do like the packaging. I love the black with the red. I do think that's beautiful. It does smell like sweet orange and coconut. Very strongly of coconut. Let's see. We won't do a whole lot because this is a $33 lip balm right there. Kind of a whitish clear, just like a coconut-based product would be. It smells really good. It smells just like citrus. Be careful for those of you that are allergic to citrus oils. This is definitely a no-no for you. It's bee friendly. Bee friendly. I like that. I do like that a whole lot, actually. I know that sounds weird, but I am a big fan of Save the Bees. Okay. Yeah, $33. Okay. Next thing I have is another skincare product. This is Dr. Brandt Do Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream. The deeply hydrating peptide-powered cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness. $82. Dr. Brandt typically is more expensive. Let's take a look at this and see what it looks and smells like. I'm always up for an eye cream, although it is a whole lot of face and skincare products. Typical Dr. Brandt white with the branding. Let's see what the eye cream looks like in there. We have, it's just kind of a cream colored, very pale colored eye cream. It does not smell like anything, although all I can smell is that sweet orange. I mean, it seems okay. It doesn't seem super emollient or anything, but we'll try it and see what it's like. Yeah, you know. And then the last product I have is Ciate the Velvet Palette. So this palette is a mix of metallics and soft shimmers with velvety smooth mattes. The innovative powder formula delivers high pigment and super soft application. Retail value $30. For those of you that I did not say what my my box number, my variation number is, and because it's a super weird variation, they have changed things now, and so it's this really, really long number. It's C210127-BA. What happened to like number 16? Anyways, let's open this up. I do like that Ciate London is cruelty-free. I don't like that you can't open the packages. Here we go. Typically, Ciate London has beautiful packaging, and this is no different. Beautiful outside. It's this rose colored with rose gold, and the back is rose gold colored as well. And we'll open up the palette and see what it looks like. Wow, that is actually pretty stunning. Okay. Quite a few shimmers. Mostly shimmers. I don't see a whole lot of mattes. So let's swatch this one right here because this might be a matte. Maybe. And that is certainly kind of a matte. Kind of a satin color. Let's swatch this right here because that is very metallic-y. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh, that's pretty. It's a weird texture because it's very glittery. And then I'm going to do this one right here, right underneath everything. That is stunning. Some really pretty colors there, that nice gold color. I'll be interested to try that. You may have to use this with another palette to get more matte shades here because it doesn't look like there's a lot of matte transitions. But who says you have to wear mattes in your crease? We'll try a look with this. Very, very cool. So that is my December base box. I love the palette. I am interested to try that Persona brush. Wow, I'm having a hard time saying that. Persona brush. But these are the only 2 makeup items that I got in this month. So the rest is all skincare. I like a little more makeup based box, but this is not bad. I certainly will try everything. I guess I didn't realize that there was so much skincare in this month's box. I was thinking it was more makeup, but I haven't seen a lot of spoilers. What did you all get in your January base box for Boxycharm? Is there anything that you're loving or really want to try? Anything that I got that you didn't get that you're excited about? Drop me a line and let me know. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I loved having you here. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.